Welcome to our home decor factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how natural seashells are transformed into stunning decorative products, from raw shells to luxury home decor. Each shell is carefully cleaned and sanitized before entering production. Advanced CNC technology creates intricate decorative details with exceptional precision. A protective finish enhances the shell's natural beauty while improving durability. Skilled craftsmen combine natural shells with modern design to create timeless home decor.
Every piece is carefully inspected to meet premium quality standards. These handcrafted decorative products are shipped to homes and luxury retailers around the world.
And that's how natural seashells are transformed into beautiful home decor, from the ocean to elegant living spaces. Thanks for watching!